such a good idea. Pick who we're doing today.
Oh, interesting. How many cards do I pick?
Let's do 2.
Got it. And it's Princess Pink. Now you pick the second.
Let's go with this one. Awesome, Chloe!
Today we've got a super makeover in store. Pink and Chloe.
Let's hurry, I can't wait to start. Okay, let's see. Oh, this Barbie is just the perfect model.
I brought our checklist.
Of course.
Should we follow it step by step?
Hair comes first. Have a seat. We'll give you the best hairstyle ever.
Uh-oh, could you maybe not cut the length?
Relax, relax. Look, I'm a certified stylist.
Oh, okay then, Lali, I trust you.
It'll turn out great.
So what's that notebook you have there?
Oh, this is my journal full of craft hacks. Download it from the link in the description.
Wow, that's so cool.
All right, let's begin. First, we'll trim up the ends.
So, how do I look?
Oh, bald spots are actually my cup of tea.
You're not leaving me like this, right?
Of course not. We're making you a gorgeous wig. Let's lay down a damp wipe. LaLiLu, the glue now.
Coat the wipe with white glue and let it dry. Once it's dried, trim off the extra and the wig base is ready.
Time to paint it.
Take a brush and paint the cap pink.
That turned out amazing. Now let's work on the hair.
These are all we've got.
Oh, but these don't match. Okay, I'll fix this right now. Lalacadabra. There we go, just what we need.
Hot glue the hair, working bottom to top. Now I need to curl the hair like in the reference.
I know a great hack.
Which one?
Watch and learn. Cut 2 identical pieces from a straw and slit one lengthwise.
Got it. Wrap a strand around the whole piece like a curler. And secure it with the split one.
How long do I have to sit like this? Just need to wait a bit.
So, what do we do meanwhile?
I've got an idea. Let's relax a little. A face mask for you and one for me. Shoo.
I brought you both some tea.
Oh, thank you. This feels so nice.
Yeah, Lali, that was a great idea.
Oh, time to take out the curlers.
We carefully remove the tubes one by one.
Wow, what gorgeous curls we got.
Let's pull the front strands back.
And add a bow in the back. This hairstyle is slaying.
Wow, I love it so much.
LaLiLu, we nailed this one perfectly.
This is the best hairstyle I've ever had in my life. Great, let's check this off the list. I'm ready for my makeover.
Oh, phew. Sorry to keep you waiting. I got a little too relaxed with pink.
No worries, Lali. I was just looking over your certificates. Gymnastics, hobby horsing, hairstyling, dancing, yoga, and vocals. That's so impressive.
Well, I have lots of hobbies. But that's not the point. Let's do your hairstyle. It's first on our checklist. Okay, let's start. First, we need to brush your hair really well. The brush is stuck. No worries, we'll fix that right up. Oops, oh, the scissors are stuck too. Yeah, we need something stronger here. This will definitely help.
Lali, are you sure about this?
Trust me, I love this part. It's so exciting. Let's see here.
Oh my gosh!
Don't worry, we are not even done yet.
Shave off all the hair. This is what it looks like now. Sweep away the leftover bits.
Yay! Now the wig cap. I made it the exact same way I did for pink.
Paint the wig base blue to match her hair color. Once the paint's dry, we can move on to the hair.
I actually brought some faux hair.
This color is a perfect match.
Wow, this is gonna be amazing!
Cut a blue strand, apply hot glue to the tips, let it dry, and trim it. Now apply glue to the cap and attach the strand. Look at this awesome hairstyle we made. Just need a neat part now. Wow, what gorgeous hair. It really suits you, Chloe. Thank you.
Wow, this is so beautiful.
I love it too.
But we still need to curl it.
First, let's straighten the hair so it gets softer and more flexible. Now we can start on the curls.
I brought a wooden skewer.
What do we need that for?
It's a great hack.
Separate a strand and wrap it around the skewer. Now take a curling iron and go over the whole length. Here's the curl we got. And here's the final result.
We definitely need to set the hairstyle now.
Great idea, Lali. Take hairspray and apply it evenly all over. Oh wow, I'm absolutely obsessed. This color suits me so well.
Oh my gosh, Chloe, you look incredible!
Thank you both. This hairstyle is stunning. Our Chloe Charming is a real charmer. Those blue curls really suit her. I love you.
I'm so happy you like it. Awesome!
Let's check this off our list too.
LaLiLu, we're doing so great.
Lali, time to move to the next craft.
Oh, right, let's hurry along. So what's next on our list? Makeup, perfect. LaLiLu, bring the makeup over here.
Here you go, Lali.
Let's see what we've got. There, just what we need. Pink, are you ready for some awesome makeup?
Of course I am.
Then let's get started.
Line the eyes with a pencil.
Apply pastel eyeshadow.
Let's make the eyebrows pink too. Add some blush.
And of course, more sparkle. Sorry, Lali. Wow, that turned out great. Now it's my turn. So, what do you think? It really suits you. Let's take a picture together.
Awesome, let's do it. A selfie together. What a cute makeup look.
We're such pretty girls. That's for sure.
Lali's taking a while, but we really need to start the makeup. Oh, where could she be? Maybe we should just start without her? Let's go, or we'll be late. We've got blue paint and a brush here. Trace the hairline and add a few curls. Now let's take a lighter shade and draw the lashes and liner. First one eye, then carefully the other.
Makeup without me?
Lali?
Oops. Oh, sorry.
Is everything okay? Huh?
Yep, everything's wonderful.
So what happened? Is my makeup ruined?
Relax, I'll fix everything right now. I did take makeup classes. Fix this up here, add a touch here. You'll definitely love it. Ta-da!
So, how'd it turn out?
Even better than before.
Wow, Lali, this is gorgeous. Good thing you were late after all.
Oh, LaLiLu, come on now. Don't mention it.
Let's paint Chloe a pretty smile. Now let's grab pink pastel and blush the doll's cheeks. Load the brush and blend it in. I can't wait to see myself now.
Wow, Chloe, you're absolutely stunning. LaLiLu, but something's still missing here.
What is it?
Rhinestones, of course. Ta-da!
Great idea. Let's add these gems to our makeup look. Chef's kiss.
Yes, that's exactly what we need.
Do I look good?
Totally gorgeous.
Quick, bring me a mirror. Wow, I'm just glowing. So, makeup's done. Time to work on the outfit. Lali, what are you doing over there?
Oh, well, I'm a certified makeup artist now. I'm just so good. Like gorgeous. LaLiLu, what's that? Huh?
Time to work on Chloe's outfit now.
We need some pink fabric. Light bulb moment.
Whoa, that's so much fabric.
Yeah, that's my secret stash. My precious treasure. And here's just what we need. Let's try it out. Okay, LaLiLu, we need to cut here. Thanks. Now we need to sew this. Perfect.
The top's done. Let's decorate it with beads. Now let's make the skirt. Fold the fabric into quarters, draw a quarter circle, and cut out the skirt. Let's put it on.
LaLiLu, we need more ruffles.
Add a few more layers to make the skirt fluffier.
Let's also put on a jacket.
Oh, this makes the look so much more interesting. Let's just add a couple details. There we go. For her feet, fishnet stockings and pink shoes.
I saved something special just for this occasion.
Wow, what a gorgeous bow. A perfect finishing touch.
But where do I put my lipstick? I already thought of that too.
Wow, I love my brand new look so much. Everything about it is perfect. Soft pink paired with bows and ruffles makes such a sweet, adorable look.
Thank you so much, Lali. You're always welcome. Outfit's done, and now I'm off to Chloe. Oh, sorry, that was an accident. All right, we need our materials.
Any ideas in mind?
Of course, look what I came up with. Not pink, sure, but I love blue just as much.
Wow, so much fabric. Which one do we start with?
Let me think. Let's start with the dark blue. We'll sew some pants from it. Cut it, stitch it. Ta-da! The pants are done.
These are so cool. I can't wait to try them on. They fit perfectly, Lali.
Well, I did a great job. Right, you still need a top, and I could use some help. Oh, you brought me a top? Come on, Chloe, try it on. Great, this long sleeve suits you so well.
Wow, look at that shine.
And look at these awesome boots I have. I think they'll go great on you.
Whoa, let me try them on. Oh, I love them. Let's upgrade them just a little.
Yes! More sparkle, please.
Coat the boots with blue glitter polish. It looks amazing on top of the black. Wow, that's so beautiful. Now let's work on the skirt. We'll make it out of faux leather. Lay down the pattern, trace the outline, cut it out, and sew it. We've got some big slits here. Let's cover them with sparkly fabric. Wow, it looks so stylish. Let's add a blue belt made of shiny craft foam and a buckle. That slaps.
We just need some rhinestones now.
Decorate the skirt with blue gems. So pretty.
LaLiLu, I already cut out a jacket for Chloe. We just need to sew it now.
Got it. Stitch up the piece. Time to try it on. Fits perfectly. Add some details and gems, and we're done. Wow, what a gorgeous sparkly look we made. Whoa, I want to see myself now.
Wow, Chloe, you're such a beauty. LaLiLu, bring the mirror.
Here you go. Whoa, I love my brand new look so much. Everything's so shiny, simply amazing. Thank you so much, Lali.
You're welcome, but we gotta go now. Whoop. Oh, where did we end up now?
No idea. Wow, Pink, you look so pretty.
So do you, Chloe, but where's the Lali? And now it's party time! Woo! What? A party? Awesome!
Whoa, I love parties. Yay! Here's the DJ booth.
Let's go! Yeah!
Yeah, this is so fun.
Everything's great! So much fun! Girls, it's your moment now!
Every single drop is a big surprise. I'm the spark, I'm the energy queen, the brightest girl that you've ever seen. Don't fix the mess, just call it the style.
Hi, I'm Pink.
And I am a Chloe.
Wow, you two are so cool! If you want to see more awesome makeovers, subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye!